Hey, make sure y'all come on now. Tell the people on the tube to come on now. Hey, YouTube. We have to do Visceral, Autopsy. You already know Bobby's wearing the merch. Go ahead. Hey, if y'all don't know, y'all finna know. I'm finna put y'all on game. Boys been working hard, extra hard, and they come on now. It is what it is. They EP Wallflower. If you haven't checked that out, shoosh. All you gotta do is check out my reaction to it. Right now, we got some Falsification. These boys be pumping out music like it's nothing. Let's get into it. That was heavy. The production just got what? Yo, Yo, who produced this? This is it, baby. Hey. This heat. It's a groove. Hey, hey, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick that change up. Let's go, let's go. Y'all styling like that? Shit. Yo, y'all coming like that? We go shit. Y'all coming like hold on this. Who did Wallflower? Yeah, who did Wallflower? Cause this is just if y'all wearing headphones, this is experience. Sheesh. You did Wallflower in the bedroom? This is crazy. Hey, so when is this actually song releasing? Or is it releasing now? Is this it? Is this, wait. Yeah, this is sick. Hey, Dead Boy, yo, you did your thing, my boy. The beef was the beef. It was just beefier. Beefier, like Wallflower was beef, but this is buffalo meat, baby, gorilla meat. Oh, it's releasing tonight. Oh, perfect. Hey, just give me a what do you guys release the YouTube one? Just give me an overlay so I can put it over this. Hey, YouTube, you already know the deal. Check out Visceral Autopsy. Well, don't. What you doing? This is heat. Yeah, once you guys release that, I'll put it up. Let me know what you guys think. When this goes up, it'll be available for Spotify. So go download the song, go run them streams up. You know how hard, times are hard right now. Come on now. It's your boy Hardcore. Yeah.